Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. In today's class, we are continuing the activity with the sandpaper letter tracing. Today we are going to take soft explosives. We have three letters under soft explosives. They are G, B and D. Let us see the tracing first. The first letter among soft explosives is G. So, keep the left palm and start tracing with the point and middle finger of your right hand. Then utter the sound G. Trace it as it should be done and then say the sound G. The sound for letter G is G. Then start giving the words to the child. When I say gun, gun, do you listen to the sound G? Ask the child. The next word is goat. When I say G-O-T, goat, do you listen to the sound G? Ask the child. If the child recognizes the sound, it is well and good. Otherwise, go back to the tracing. The next letter under soft explosives is B. Start tracing the letter as it should be done and then say the sound B as in bat. B. Trace it several times. Then let the child take it over. The sound is B. Afterwards, start giving the words B at bat. Do you listen to the sound B in bat? The next word is bun. Bun. Ask the child if he listens to B. The next letter is D. The letter D. Start tracing the letter and say the sound D. Trace it as I am showing you. D. Trace it several times, then let the child take over the activity. If the child is satisfied, then start giving the words. When I say dog, do you listen to the sound D? When I say den, do you listen to the sound D? Go on giving n number of words to child. The next letter is E. The non-basic vowel E. We have not introduced it while we are introducing the basic vowels. Now we are going to introduce the letter E. The sound is A, as in egg. Start giving the words elephant. When I say elephant, do you listen to the sound A? When I say egg, egg, do you listen to the sound A in egg? The next letter is J. We are going to introduce letter J here. Take the sandpaper letter tracing frame. Keep your left palm and start tracing as it should be done. And say the sound J as in jam. J. Trace it several times. Then the child take over the activity. When the child is satisfied, start giving the words. When I say jam, do you listen to the sound J? Ask the child. When I say jeep, do you listen to the sound J? Ask the child. So, the next set of letters which we are going to introduce is C, Q and X. Let us start with the letter Q. Start tracing the letter as it should be done and utter the sound Q. As Q is always followed with U in all the words, the sound for letter Q is Q. Trace it several times and then let the child take over the activity. When the child is satisfied, start giving the words. When I say quilt, do you listen to the sound Q? Ask the child. When I say queen, do you listen to the sound Q? Ask the child. The next letter is X. Start tracing the letter as it should be done and utter the sound X. The sound for letter X is X, combination of K and S. When the child is satisfied with the tracing work, start giving the words. Xmas tree. When I say Xmas, do you listen to the sound X? When I say X-ray, do you listen to the sound X? The next letter and the last letter that we are going to give to the child is C. Trace the letter as it should be done and the sound is K. K. After the child is satisfied with the tracing work, start giving the words K at cat. When I say K at cat, do you listen to the sound K? When I say K up cup, do you listen to the sound K? In this way, we used to introduce each and every sound and the letters to the child. Once again, we shall revise the letters which we have learnt today. The first letter is G as in gate, and B, the name is B as in bat. D, the sound is D as in dog. E, the sound is A as in egg. J, J as in jam. Q, Q as in queen. X, X as in Xmas, and K as in cat. By this activity, we have completed the tracing and sounds of all the 26 alphabets in English language. Keep practicing, give the child well practice with the sounds and the tracing work. If you feel today's video is useful and interesting, keep watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.